Good afternoon everyone. In today's video of marketing, I am going to discuss the last point fourth or D point in types of pricing, that is value based pricing. So I started the topic here. I started with session 3 types of pricing. Then I told there are 4 types of pricing: demand oriented, cost oriented, competition oriented, or market driven pricing, and value based pricing. So I have discussed in detail about 3 methods. Now I am going to discuss last point D, value based pricing. And inside these topics I told demand oriented pricing further has 4 methods: perceived value pricing, differential, skimming, penetration. I have discussed all in detail. Similarly, I told and taught second method, cost oriented pricing. Also I told there are further 3 categories: cost plus, markup, and break even pricing. Then I taught competition oriented pricing or market driven pricing, and I told here are again 3 methods in point C: going rate pricing, seal bid pricing, and discriminatory pricing. So today the last topic among types of pricing is value based pricing. So whenever we are hearing the word value based pricing, then we recall a method which we have studied before it, that is perceived value prices. I taught this method in first demand oriented pricing method. In the category of these methods, I told the first method, perceived value pricing. So just learn value based pricing and perceived value pricing are same methods. This is not a new method, as differential and discriminatory pricing are same methods. Similarly, value based pricing and perceived value pricing are same methods. So same I taught in perceived value pricing. I taught that here marketer sets price according to customer perception. Perception means point of view, nazariya, or customer's thinking. So same is written over here. Value based price is a pricing strategy which sets price primarily according to perceived or estimated value of a product or service to customer. Perceived means perception, means point of view, rather than according to the cost of product. In this type of pricing, price of a product is determined on customer's perception of it. Just see here, perception is there. So similarly, it is same method, perceived value pricing. Here perception again means point of view. Then seller's cost means here marketer sets price of any product or service according to customer's perception, customer's thinking, rather than cost, means expenses of any product. Pricing begins with analysis of consumers' needs and value perceptions, and then company sets its target price and designs the product. So in this method, same is done which we studied in perceived value pricing, that price is started after analyzing customer perception. It is quite opposite to cost based pricing. Okay, here cost is not considered, expenses are not considered. Here only higher value of product is perceived due to company's brand image or marketing at prestigious retail outlets. For example, the products sold at Fab India or Forest Essentials Cosmetics are considered as premium products by the customer, and so are priced high. Simply it means we search customer mind, we try to analyze customer perception, then we price the products. For some products we know customer is willing to pay more, so we sell them at premium prices, means high price. So a value based pricing strategy can be advantageous because it goes inside the mind of intended consumer to predict what the consumer would be willing to pay for a product, and so helps firm in setting price. So it is very advantageous method because simply we understand what customer thinks, we understand customer mind and what customer is willing to pay for any product. So by analyzing customer mind and perception, firm can easily set its price. and get customers. So value based pricing is same. Perceived value means according to customer perception, customer thinking and analysis of customer mind, a marketer sets price. So here cost of product is not considered, means कितने रुपए में प्रोडक्ट बनाया, this doesn't matter here, only customer perception matters. So today all the methods, 4 methods: demand oriented pricing, value based demand oriented pricing, cost oriented pricing, market driven or customer oriented pricing, and demand and value based pricing. All 4 methods are done today. And after that some major pricing methods are also given, some other methods that I will discuss in other video. So today I have finished all the 4 methods. So today's topic is value based pricing. Learn this also, or just understand that it is same as perceived value pricing. Thank you for today. Next I will discuss in next video.